2011 Honda Civic with a 1.8 liter engine. Complaint: rumbling noise while driving. She said she had someone check out her car, but couldn't find the problem. So she brought it here. Grease is everywhere on this car. This is a new one for me. I've never seen someone grease springs before. This one's not too bad this side. But here's what I found. Look at this wheel bearing. So much play. And when you spin it too, there's the rumbling noise. I don't know how you missed this one. This one was pretty obvious. Here's with the spindle off. Look at those bearings. A lot of them are missing. No grease in there. Look at all of that play. Next time she has problems, hopefully she brings it to us first.